Hey Jerry, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And I'm going to start by going through your website. These forms here are super helpful with your online conversions. I'd recommend a button that says Call Now. That would boost your conversions as well. And something that I'd recommend is adding some content to your homepage. The reason is because Google has crawlers crawling the internet 24/7, and they are looking through all the content on websites looking for keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And so let's take a look at some keywords. Here is an example of a keyword, Foundation Repair Houston. And so when people search this, the first thing that is popping up here are some ads. And when we scroll down, we come to the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. So you want to make sure that you're ranking in the top 3, because that's the top 3 get the majority of the 30 to 40% of the business. The way that you rank is you have a Google business profile that has more citations than these other businesses here, and you want to have a good amount of reviews and photos as well. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the rest of the 60 to 70% go into this organic listing here. And let's take a look if you're here. I'm not seeing you. And you want to be on the first page here because 90% of people stay on the front page. They don't go past it. And the top 3 listings get the majority of that 60 to 70%. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this keyword. So they have some call to actions. It looks like you are already beating them with content, so that's good. So let's take a look at the back end of each. So I have Atlas plugged in here, and so we have some data here from the Google Data Studio, and UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So they have 34 and 17, and what makes up these ratings here are the backlinks that they have. So they have 1.79 thousand backlinks, coming from 246 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another one. And something worth mentioning is that not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure that you have good quality backlinks. That way you can boost these numbers. And you want to steer away from spammy backlinks because they can harm these numbers and drop them. And so Atlas has 706 keywords on their website. Take a look at yours. And so I have your website plugged into the same website, Ahrefs. And so your authority and trust factor are 32 and 6, coming from 1.29 thousand backlinks from 186 referring domains. And then you have 1.4 thousand keywords. And so we need to boost these numbers here. And by doing that, you would need to get more backlinks. And so I recommend getting more high quality backlinks so that you can boost these numbers so that you can start outranking Atlas and then getting some of that traffic for yourself. And then making sure that you have good buyer intent keywords on your website so that Google can connect you to the right people that are searching for your services. One way to get some good high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. So you would go into Atlas's backlinks here, and then you would link those backlinks to your website as well. And so that way, because it is working for them, it would work for you as well. And let's take a look at their keywords. Foundation Repair Houston, 1.7 thousand people are searching for this every single month. 400 people are searching for this one, 250. So this is just the start of the list. It keeps going. So I'd recommend adding some more content to your homepage, making sure that you're adding good quality backlinks to your website so that you can start ranking, and having those keywords on your website so that Google knows to connect you, as well as having a Google business profile and adding citations to it. That way you can get more eyes on your site. The more eyes that are on your site, the more people would be converting to your customers. And if you ever need any help implementing any of this, I'd be more than happy to help you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this.